In this video, we will be focusing on 5 ways to replace a page in a PDF. 4 of them are totally free to use, online or offline. Actually, no online free tools allows replacing pages in a PDF directly, but we still have solutions. We will try I Love PDF first. This tool is packed with full PDF tools and free to use. Go to this website, then upload your PDF file. Select the page that is to be replaced and delete it. Then click the add icon here to insert the page that you want to replace with. Scroll down to the end of the thumbnails, drag and drop the page to the place where you want to put. Click Organize. Download the file and check the result. Also, we can use Sita PDF Editor, another free web tool to edit your PDFs. It has powerful PDF editing features and a lot of tools. Go to this website, upload your file, select the page that is to be replaced, and delete it. Then click the add icon to insert the new page you want to replace with. Finally, save your file and check the result. You may have heard about PDF Gear, the free PDF editor tool that allows users editing texts in a PDF. Yes, it supports replacing pages in a PDF too, but not with a replace tool. Import the PDF file first and open it. Then open the new page, or the file that has the new page. In the file that has the new page, go to Pages, select and right-click to copy the wanted page. Then go to the file you want to replace a page. Delete the page that is going to be replaced, and right-click to paste the new page. You may need to reorder the pages. Just drag and drop. Finally, save the file. If you are using Mac, you can use similar way to replace a page in a PDF document by using Preview app. Open the PDF file, select the page you want to replace with, go to Edit, delete the page, then go to Edit, Insert, Page from File. Choose the file that has the new page you can replace with. You may need to reorder the pages. Finally, save your file. If you want an easy way to replace pages in PDF, including multiple pages in a PDF document, you should try Adobe Acrobat. You don't need to delete nor add to replace. There is a replace tool. Open the file. Go to Organize Pages. Right-click on the page you want to replace, choose Replace Pages, select the file that has the new page, then click OK. Also, it can replace multiple pages in a PDF. Select all the pages you want to replace. Right-click and choose Replace Pages, select the file that has the new pages, confirm the page range. Finally, hit Save button.